Let us continue with our lesson, and today we will go and learn about the index and order by in a select statement. So let's go and see how to use it. So I'll go to on the top over here and just copy a simple select statement, while select statement, and I'll just paste it down over here. And we are using a while select cust table. So before we use the cust table, let's go to the cust table over here, and let's go to the indexes over here, and you can see there are a lot of indexes over here. And if you see the table property, you can see the primary index is account id x, so which means that the is account id x is a primary index that has been stored in the database level. So we'll make use of this one, and for that what we have to do is we have to make use of a keyword index and just paste the sorry we have to what we have to do is we have to copy this index name and make use of that index. So what the index actually does, it will select the record and force a specific index to be used. So why we should use index is that the written result will be on a sorted order. So if you have account id x, if you go inside here, what is the account number is in the sorted order stored in our database. So if you go to database and check that account id is stored in a sorted order. So when we use the index keyword and use the account id x, it will use the account number to sort our result. So all the result will be sorted out using a account number. And what we can do is we can just run this, and we can get the result which is in sorted order. And what we can also make use of over here is also the sort by. So how to use the sort by together with the index is not the sort by, is the order by. So we can make use of order by, and let's go and open our cust table. Open, and what we'll go and see is the what you want to sort by. Let us sort it by payment term id. So what I will do is I will just go here and say payment trm id. So make sure the table column name is correct. If you see over here paym, make it pay, sorry for that, let's make it a little bit bigger. So paym term id, paym, okay, paym term id. So just save this one and try to run it again. So it's sorting, actually it's fetching the record in a sorted order with the account id index, and we are also ordering by the payment term id. So payment term id, if you open the payment term id, which is, if you sort it, it's 10 10 45. Okay, which should be first is COD, I think. If you see COD, okay, I think we need to select by first, filter out by the sales district id equals to 10. So sales district id, we will go over here and filter it out. Sales district id, filter it by 10, and we have a sorted one, which is, let's open our info over here, and we have 1 2 5 6 40. So if you go and check our payment term id, so where is the payment term id? Payment p somewhere here, p, yeah. So 10 45, 10 and 45. So we have 10 and 45. So this way we can make use of both index and order by. So here we make use of index keyword to select the record and force the specific index to return by our database query. But if we use order by is used to select a statement to order the data that has been written. So it will order by will order the written data, whereas index will force the database to use a specific index as we have mentioned over here. So we can make use of both when we use the select statement, and that's how we can make use of index and order by. So you can make use of both when you are using a select statement. So index will go and force the database to use a particular index to return the data, and the order by will order the return data for us in a specific order. So I hope you guys have some understanding over here. If you go and practice, and you will have more understanding about it. So I will see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day.